Hi, I'm Shantanu Hudlikar. I'm the chief engineer here at YRF Studios in Mumbai. This is a workshop that I will be conducting at the Ronkel Institute. And the workshop is towards developing skills of sound to make yourself into a sound engineer and make sound engineering as a career option. It's going to be very informative, and it's going to tell you exactly what to expect in your life of being a sound engineer and what it entails in terms of studies, in terms of research, and how to train yourself to be a better sound engineer. I hope you can all be there. It's going to be great fun, and join me at YRF Studios for this particular workshop. Thank you.